Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Dito muna tayo uli sa ating podcast with Dante M. Life with Dante M. Podcast natin. So pag-usapan pa rin natin mga kababayan yung viral na video na nahuli cam. Nahuli cam yung mag-among taksil. Instant celebrity po. At ngayon, ang sabi dito sa latest na balita po, hot topic pa rin siya. Siguro mga 1 week ito mga kababayan pag-uusapan. Hanggang 2 weeks siguro. Sabi dito sa report ng Inquirer. Coldplay concert scandal. Astronomer investigating CEO Andy Byron. Iimbestigahan na siya mga kababayan. Nasira yung buhay ng dalawang taksil. Bakit kasi pupunta doon sa concert at magyayakapan sila doon? Nauli tuloy ng kamera. Ito mga taong ito, sabi ng mga nag-react sa ating sa ating video kahapon, hindi man ito kilala, hindi man ito pinag-uusapan sa Amerika. Siyempre, concert ito ng Coldplay. Kaya biglang sumikat. Sumakay mga kababayan. Nakasakay, sa kasikatan ng Coldplay mismo. Ang sikat yung Coldplay. Ito nangyari mga kababayan, nahuli cam. Ngayon, naging instant celebrity sila. Talk of the town, hindi lang sa Amerika, kundi buong mundo, pati dito sa Pilipinas, naging hot topic na po. You see? So may lesson po dito na makukuha tayo. Kaya pinag-uusapan natin ito. Ginawa nating topic ng gawaing masama mga kababayan. May katapat na karma. Ito na nga yung topic ng Project Nightfall. Isa ding sikat na vlogger mga kababayan, sabi niya rito, the viral cheating scandal is a big lesson on karma. Night fam, it's honestly tragic that something so personal had to become so public. But maybe this moment will make people think twice before betraying the ones who trust them most. See, this Coldplay concert moment was supposed to be sweet. They were smiling close, caught on camera, until they panic. And now, the entire world will remember their huge mistake. Even Chris Martin tried to laugh it off. They are either having an affair or they are just very shy. Yan yung naging sabi ni Chris Martin mga kababayan. Yan sabi po ni Chris Martin dito sa concert.
Yeah. Oh, look at these two. All right, come on. You're okay? Oh, what? Either they're having an affair or they're just very shy. Yeah. Oh, look at these two. All right, come on. You're okay? Oh, what? Either they're having an affair or they're just very shy.
Yan po so nangyari mga kababayan. Kaya sabi dito, but the internet did what it does best and uncovered the truth. As it turns out, they were not just a couple. They were co-workers, a CEO, and his HR chief. And yes, he is married to someone else. Suddenly, this tiny concert moment was not just awkward anymore, but devastating. For their partners, for their families, for the people who had to see this unfold online instead of in a conversation. And it really makes you realize karma does not always knock quietly. Sometimes it chooses one big moment to shake you to your core. And sadly, when that happens, your mistake will become so huge, it will already seem too late to even say sorry. Ganon mga kababayan. At doon pa sa moment na hindi mo inaasahan na mangyayari yun sa'yo. Di ba? So sabi po ng Project Nightfall. So, Night Fam, may you remember this as a proof that no one ever gets away with hurting people because life will always find ways of revealing the truth. So if you are doing something terrible in secret, ask yourself, will I be able to handle the consequences if the entire world finds out? And hopefully, before you even answer that question, you gather enough common sense to change your mind. Sincerely, Project Nightfall. Ayan po mga kababayan, yung pagkahulikam sa kanila. Ayan ang picture nila. Si Andy Byron, Chief Executive Officer. Si Christine Cabot, na kayakapan niya, Chief People Officer. Ayan yung asawa ng babae. May mga anak sila siguro, mga anak sila, pero tinakpan na yung para di madamay yung mukha. So, ito naman yung lalaki, si Andy Byron, at yung kanyang asawa, mga kababayan. Kaya ito yung mga reactions ng mga tao. Never trusting someone that says, I'll be home late. Team bonding at a Coldplay concert. You see? Ayan yung mga reactions. Sabi ni Selena, she's going to wake up to this literally heartbreaking. So kawawa dito yung mga anak, pati yung asawa. Iba-iba yung reactions ng mga tao. Sabi ni Flor de Lisa Tamayo, we all know at some point in our life we had our own mistakes. Could be big or small. They already have enough damage and shame in the family. Nobody's perfect and there's always a second chance. Please stop the hate and be kind in your words. They have children to protect. Let he who is without sin cast the first stone. Ano tingin ninyo? Para niya Mr. Maravillas may tinatago din. Ewan ko po. But you know, mga matured people na sila. Alam nila yung ano yung tama at ang mali. Pinili nila yung mali. And it was exposed to the whole world. So, yun ang painful, mga kababayan, na consequences ng paggawa ng mali. So, it will serve as a lesson to everyone. Kaya pinag-uusapan natin ito. Sabi ni Hang Ho, nothing can be hidden. In Vietnam, we have to say, a needle in a bag will eventually poke out. Sabi ni Marie Chris Ayo, God has his own way of exposing their secrets where consent is barely needed. Sabi ni Regina Chong, karma is not about the truth being revealed but about causes and effects. Whatever causes you make, you will have to bear the consequences. No one can escape their karma, whether it's in this lifetime or next. Sabi ni Bem Enriquez, the painful truth about betrayal is that it comes from the people you love and trust the most. Sabi ni Rikta, I hope people learn from this and think twice before betraying the ones who trust the most. Sabi ni Rochelle Stewart, 3 things you cannot hide from: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Yun mga kababayan. Ngayon, iimbestigahan daw itong CEO ng Board of Directors ng software company Astronomer. Nagsimula na daw a formal investigation after its CEO, who is married and head of HR, were caught embracing at Coldplay concert sa Massachusetts. Kaya sabi dito sa balita, Astronomer is committed to the values and culture that have guided us since our founding. Our leaders are expected to set the standard in both conduct and accountability. Sabi po ng company sa kanilang statement na pinost sa X and LinkedIn. The Board of Directors has initiated a formal investigation into the matter and we will have additional details to share very shortly. Byron and Cabot have not released a statement as of press time. Andy Byron has not put out any statement, reports saying otherwise are all incorrect, sabi po ng astronomer. So yan yung post nila mga kababayan. As the kiss cam caught the pair in a panic, Chris Martin quipped, "Oh, what either they're having an affair or they are very shy," prompting laughter from the crowd. More than 15 million people read about the scandal, and the average readership on the topic is on par with the Diddy trial. Must Trump feud in Pope Francis' death, according to Axios. Ganon katindi mga kababayan. Pag iskandalo pong ganito,